Hi guys! So now that we have the typical Subaru rumble thanks to the new exhaust, I want to achieve a rally look for the Daily Fuzz. Kind of rally look. And for that, today, right now, I'm gonna install some mud flaps. Got the whole package there. There are universal mud flaps, and I'm gonna show you how to fit them on your Forester. So they are just basic mud flaps. They come from AliExpress. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description if you want the exact same. So they comes like this, so they still have a shape. Plastic is soft but still a bit sturdy, so that's nice. It comes with absolutely pretty much no branding except this that you can't really see. No holes in there, so that's gonna be the main work to do, is to fit them properly with the nice holes at the right place. And with it comes some plastic clips. I'm gonna try to use maybe some more sturdy hardware, but that comes handy as well. Recommend is to get a bag of this, and you have all the kind of clip you can get. So with screw like this, big, small, just the pin you insert by force, and this kind here, same way that you go with force. Should get that, it's on Amazon, and once again, link down below. So I'm gonna try to do it very quickly in a very simple way. I saw some YouTube videos that last like 20 minutes and seems really complicated to install some mud flaps. So let's do this really simply, guys. Actually, the trickiest part is to fit them where you really like more like this, or maybe a little bit upper, so less protection, but I kind of like this look with the mud flap pretty high. Anyway, I have nothing right now, so it will do his job. Maybe right here, like on the bumper, or with more coming out. That's gonna serve his purpose more, with some sticking out. Maybe not too much, that's gonna be ugly. And on the back here, I have already 2 screws in there that I'm gonna reuse, and a hole down there that I'm gonna use as well. So on this side, I'm gonna try to fit it like this and make it a little bit, fit it a little bit bent like this. Alright, so let's do the trickiest part. Just fit them the way I like it. I'm just gonna stand like this behind the car. Yeah, honestly, I think I like it that way. Just like this. What I'm gonna do is mark one here and one here, I guess. Right. Now I'm just gonna drill through it where the marks are on. The first one in. Yeah, I actually broke the screw, so I'm gonna need to find another thing, but I'm gonna be able to drill here. Yeah, looking pretty good. And since I like the look like this and everything is symmetrical, I'm gonna use this mud flap as a template for the other one, so I don't have to measure everything twice. Oh no, you have one chance on two to break that bolt. Same thing on the other side. Alright, that's how it looks. It's gonna be fixed. It's gonna be mounted here, 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 and I just missed this one from a centimeter, half inch, so it's gonna be this one, and I'm gonna cut here because some excess. Okay, I don't have anything to cut, so I'm gonna do that the hard way. Okay, not that bad. Nice. Alright, and just like for the rear, now that I have one side down, I'm gonna just make the same on the other mud flap to go on the other side because everything's symmetrical. So let's do that. Alright, and that's how you install universal mud flaps on your Subaru. That's pretty cheap, pretty easy, and the rally look is pretty nice. So I think you should do it too. I really hope this video helped you. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, it always helps. And you know what? See you soon.